In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable keyboard shortcuts in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and make sure you're signed in to the workspace where you want to adjust your settings. This option is found in your personal preferences, so it's a quick change and it will save automatically as soon as you make it. Once you're inside ClickUp, go to the top left corner of the screen and click your workspace or profile menu. This is where ClickUp keeps a variety of account and workspace related options, including access to your personal settings. If you don't see it right away, just look for your workspace name or your profile area in that upper left section. After that menu opens, look for My Settings, and then click Preferences. The Preferences section is where you can control certain behavior and usability options in ClickUp, including whether keyboard shortcuts are active. This is useful if you like to move quickly through the app using your keyboard, or if you prefer to avoid shortcuts so you don't trigger actions by accident. In the Preferences area, find the setting labeled Keyboard Shortcuts. Take a moment to confirm that you're looking at the correct toggle before changing it. ClickUp makes this simple, so you only need to switch the setting based on what you want. If you want to enable keyboard shortcuts, turn the toggle on. Once it's enabled, ClickUp will allow you to use supported shortcut keys to navigate and work more efficiently. This can be especially helpful if you regularly manage tasks, switch views, or perform repetitive actions and want to save time. If you want to disable keyboard shortcuts instead, turn the toggle off. This can be a better choice if you often type quickly, use other accessibility tools, or simply prefer relying on the mouse rather than memorizing shortcut combinations. As soon as you change the toggle, your update is saved automatically. There's no save button to click, so once the setting is switched, you're done. That makes this a very fast adjustment if you ever want to turn shortcuts on temporarily or switch them off later. And that's all it takes to enable or disable keyboard shortcuts in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.